Literally, searching kita changed my life. Hindi ko makakalimutan.
Grabe naman to, kung siya sikat na, bakit ako titigil sa negosyo ko as a financial advisor? So I continue my journey, and yes, now, I already have 500 clients. Lahat sila na-insured ko, lahat sila nag-iipon na to continue the mission of financial literacy here in the Philippines.
Paano naging malaking factor si Sir Chinky Tan sa pag-iipon ko? Isang malaking factor ang mga learnings na natutunan ko kay Sir Chinky Tan. Hanggang sa nag-work ako, hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng negosyo, hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong kumpanya.
Working with Chinky Tan and this program definitely changed my life. Not only did he help me grow my business, but he also gave me a better outlook in life. Chinky Tan's TYL program is a no-brainer. Kasi it can cater to everyone eh. Kahit anong stage mo pa financially ngayon, malaking tulong to for sure. Natutunan ko yung CHIP method and it's such an eye-opening topic. Lalo